Glowing, glowing in the night, fireflies shine a yellow light, flashing signals to their mates, such a bright sight each creates. Glowing, glowing in the night, fireflies shine a yellow light.
In Malaysia, the well-known place for fireflies is found in the state of Selangor Darul Ehsan. These fireflies are mainly found in Kampung Kuantan, Kuala Selangor. Situated 56 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur and approximately 9 kilometers from Kuala Selangor, Kampung Kuantan has become a major tourist attraction. Kampung Kuantan lies on the riverbank of Sungai Selangor. It is surrounded by lush greenery of fruit orchards, oil palm and coconut plantations. Taman Kelip Kampung Kuantan is the home to the mystical and enchanting world of the fireflies. The journey you are about to take is a once-in-a-lifetime experience filled with wonder of the magical lights created by the fireflies and knowledge about the enchanting creature itself. The realization of the importance of the fireflies in this region is not limited to just a tourist attraction, but it also provides visitors with an unforgettable adventure and experience. This is the reason why action is taken to protect and preserve the population of the fireflies and the entire ecosystem. There are over 1,900 species of fireflies in existence in the world today, living in the tropical and temperate regions. Fireflies can be found on every continent in the world, except in extreme environments such as deserts. The firefly is classified under the order of insects called beetles. It belongs to a family of beetles called Lampyridae. The low overhanging branches of the berimbang trees along the banks of Sungai Selangor have always been a favorite of the fireflies. As dusk turns to night and darkness overwhelms the trees, these silent sentinels light up intermittently in an uncanny perfection, very much like the lights on Christmas trees. The best way to appreciate this is when you are in complete darkness. Adult fireflies can be easily recognized due to the flashes of light emitted. A male firefly often produces the brightest flash. To be able to produce light, the firefly has to go through 4 stages of life before it becomes the beautiful luminous insect we clearly see. What makes the firefly's colony so spectacular is the insect's courtship ritual. The bright flash from the male will flicker in unison and create a pattern that attracts the female. The female firefly will wait amongst the berimbang leaves until it finds a suitable mate. An adult female firefly can mate more than once in its lifetime. While male fireflies flash its bright light, the bride patiently waits. In the lifespan of about 30 days, the female fireflies have more than one partner. In about 14 days after the mating ritual, female fireflies will lay eggs. The firefly's eggs are tiny and translucent. In the laboratory, it has been observed that a female lays about 15 to 30 eggs. In its natural habitat, a female firefly can lay more eggs. The female firefly will usually lay its eggs on the ground, inside cracks and crevices of the soil in the vegetative areas. These nesting spots are usually close to the riverbank. The development of the firefly larva takes place inside the egg, and the larva hatches from the egg after 15 to 20 days. The newly hatched larva look totally different from the adult firefly. It resembles a small centipede that has only 3 pairs of legs. The 2-millimeter larva is whitish and translucent at first, but gradually turns darker as it consumes food and is able to grow up to 1 centimeter. The firefly larva is carnivorous. It feeds on tiny snails, slugs and earthworms. Upon discovering a snail, a larva will pursue it and pierce the snail's soft skin with its sharp jaws, injecting a toxin into its prey. With the aid of digestive juices injected into the snail, the larva sucks out the liquefied tissues of its prey. Approximately 2 weeks after hatching, the larva goes through the molting process, in which it sheds the old skin for a new one in order to grow larger. To prepare for this process, the larva digs a mud hole underground and curls up inside it, reappearing only after it has molted and its new skin sufficiently hardened. During the pupa stage, the firefly larva is no longer active. It stays underground and undergoes a complete transformation. Within 9 to 12 days, it emerges as an adult firefly, ready to light the night and find a mate to begin the cycle of life all over again. An adult firefly lives for a few weeks only, but its whole life cycle is a span of 6 to 7 months. Enchanting luminance. What is so fascinating about the fireflies are the flashes of light they emit, glowing in a darkened night. How is the light produced? Fireflies produce the light through a chemical reaction consisting of a luciferin, a substrate, ATP or adenosine triphosphate, oxygen, and luciferase enzyme. When these substances are added together, light is produced. This chemical reaction takes place inside a special organ known as the photic organ, which is located on the underside of the firefly's lower abdomen. The photic organ is divided into 3 layers. The inner layer contains microscopic cells, which produce uric acid crystals that act as reflectors. The middle layer, functioning as the cell that produces light, consists of nerves, air tubes and cells. The outer layer is a translucent hardened skin that allows light to pass through. The lights the fireflies emit produce little heat. It is very efficient since it does not give off heat as wasted energy compared to light bulbs. All the fireflies' colony can be seen with the naked eye.
A little light is going by, is going up to see the sky. A little light with wings. I never could have thought of it, to have a little bug all lit and made to go on wings.
Every creature is better alive than dead, and he who understands it will rather preserve its life than destroy it. This is one of the places we would never light, even though we could. powering the nation.